Hey, this is Brother Barnes thinking about the fundamentals of epigenetics. As I have explained earlier, if DNA were just a thin strand of spaghetti, it would be rather fragile. And so the spaghetti of DNA, there is no spaghetti of DNA, but the DNA is wound around these histones, I believe, kind of for stability. That's part of the scheme. And together, the histone and the DNA is called the nucleosome. If these nucleosomes are spaced rather closely together, the DNA might not be expressed so easily, but when they're unwound, it gives more space and more access for the DNA to be acted upon. Gene expression, possibly. Here is my true and false question. The unit of the histone octamer together with the DNA wound around it is called the nucleosome. Is this true? Thumbs up. Is it false? Thumbs down.